I had an Apex CRT TV that was infested with roaches some goof gave me. We're testing the speakers. It sounds good, too.
Where we want.
You travel?
Staten Island count?
You don't travel, why not?
Really nice clarity. And that set was made in China, ooh, but it sounds good, which is awesome. Very good clarity. They're made by ZM. I don't know who ZM is. The Philips Magnavox, this one from 2000. Oh, this one's 10 watt, by the way, 8 ohm. It's YTD 613, that's the number. The ones in the Philips Magnavox is made by ZM as well. It just doesn't say ZM, it says YDT. And that's only a 1.5 watt. Those sounded pretty good. Let's hook it up to the stereo here. The ones out of the Philips Magnavox are YDT 0613-71BP. These ones are 16 ohms, 1.5 watts. Don't know who made them. 264 is on here, but that's not an EIA code because that comes back with Pilot Radio Corp. And 343 is Zenith Radio Corp. They didn't make these. That's a date code, 0034, but why does it have a bonus 3 at the end? It's from 2000. Okay.
You have to forget about the rest of it. We have to find her.
Sounds the same, but it'll distort sooner than the other one because that one's 10 watts and this one's only 1.5. If I understand that correctly. Did a quick Google search.
Alright, this is a police report from last night.
Yeah, they're both the same in terms of sound quality. The one we did before is just higher wattage.
40 miles away from the crash site.
Thanks for watching, watching in air quotes, this video.